Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Area channel. In this video, I'll show you how to clear the cache, history and cookies from your iPhone. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, to clear your history and cookies, go to the setting on your iPhone and then scroll it down until you find Safari. Tap it, scroll it down a bit more, and then you can tap clear history and wipe site data. And browsing data from Safari won't change your autofill information. And to clear your cookies and keep your history, in Safari setting, you scroll it down until you find advanced. Tap it and tap wipe site data, and then you can tap remove all website data in the bottom of your screen. Yeah guys, just a tutorial from me. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.